in ebin sida do bi ba be MP no nya nye MP form mpom mfai Mr. School dan Mr. Clinic me
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusuafo papa ya oda screen isi ugidi ye pass obia enim no ose oye journalist wofre ne Captain Smart papa tutujegu ebusuafo Captain Smart e de ensem bia betudwa wo Gomoa ogina Gomoa West ho na ode ensem ne tudwa na Captain Smart kasa wie no Gomoa West youth omo ama ne reply omo ekre say Captain Smart ye nim say Ghana ha no eye ensem bia eda ebimu ano ayo omo ka say infantifo de esan esresem e wo mo hu di say bio ase so no na meka omo say ye ejimi ma menka some so me fi central region omo say infantifo de say ye she na mo na masa because ye ho ye straight Captain Smart Gomoa youth is omo ka kire say sa ensem na Ghana fo de atag ye no on person mo ka kire say enya de a wo bema na wo wa ma na sensem na be nti won to abema na ebusanfo se nanse e beto dwa se Captain Smart so person o ye MP sofu bi kra na obe hye nkom e na ye ka se sofu ubua wo de captain akohye ho because captain e wona dwun so person obe ye MP tu be din kan aka na se ba anye ye surprise nti sofu ubua ye akwakodo because him say Captain Smart de o ti me ye MP obi anto ma no na nyen Ghana fo nya de na ehia nyanya Captain Smart a otumi tina radio so ede etoto ya Kwasia na ye aboa ma ne yen president wa be di o man so ko tumi kanadwen kire no left right center e di na tem kire say yen bia ye support a particular party be ye moa ye ndwan watumi atena radio so aka kire nkofo so omo emfa by force enko company bi na omo akum nkofo no say moa we efe no say journalist also be ye MP as a Gomoa youth for so much abama na semwara na ebusanfo Captain Smart ni MP no obedi no unim dia yesru Captain Smart so be ye MP a o se Gomoa fu youth ne bo se wo wie school a obi wo ha na owie school na wa fa ne bag me kwa akra akoya dwuma se me ya kakra e de didi bi ama ne mabusuafo a o me kokuma se me ya kakra didi e de bi ama ne mabusuafo a Captain Smart say o se Gomoa youth fo bo se so be ye MP se primaries no mutumutuma no na general elections ni so winia no ko parliament house wa wo ye Gomoa MP a we wi ase obra na ye ba na ye bo na ye bre no ye presi e be nya ba bi de ye nti ato ye ma na ye busuafo so mo ani age no Captain Smart say wo fi Gomoa West nko ade a o ma na sa enisuade hu no embe mi ma o nya se embe mi ma ebe be ma ma ba to mbre Captain so ye youth a onsa na onse du na wona ndu o de fatna se anapada ewiada nwrida ona Captain Smart na bebo obra ma wo si da yo be si ama wo be ware ama wo be hwe mba ama che so obe feed wada pa ewia yimbre bia Captain Smart so be ya ama into enya bucket na Captain ha she no na be Captain so be ya MP a Gomoa West che say obeye no Dubai Gomoa West ho ko obeye no Dubai no ye no Dubai wi a emu youth no obie ni ho a obebobra o de obeye MP a just relax sit down ona be feed obebo wo bra ma obeware ama obehwe mba unya aka obeto unya bicycle obeto unya motor obebo wo bra ma wa te so obefi asase so na so na captain be fi asase so o be say beboa yenti ese ma captain de tuja o de yenti ona
in ebin sida do bi ba be MP no nya nye MP form mpom mfai Mr. School dan Mr. Clinic me chip compound me community center 3 unit classroom blocks 6 unit classroom blocks ebin sida me peda ono ye signal ma wonde nye da tena ho nkote na wato aba mo na hyeda aka tena ka mo won kran den sama ka nam wenum na baba dada nyimpa da men dada no wetwo be peda me ka che gumofo de wa dada wona che na me kodweze men dada wona mo madan dan won ma ze no waye it will be better for him to step down. And I'm saying it on authority. It will be better for the MP to step down. Where's the two terms? Oye. than do obejine wado. It will be better for him to step down because the primaries I will win the elections. Eyo de boko krubi I don't know what she in this ahoroba. They ya to aba you grow school down ya to aba about how? I mean 2 terms. Now if you call close to the woman can school down webu see. Ebe faha chip compound won't me nye. Ebe faha roofing sheet I was community center so your issue. Your issue. These things are smaller things, sir. Yeah, sabi your MP na sanso your minister. Sika bocho ya your minister yin. What's going for? Rochana ba robo anu egu wona za e baze. Or a delegate na wo from one na what to about the primary cinema ma ze be MP. Na nyame ayi wado ma za minister. Nti se Kenya adze wuma. Adze ne chem 10 fa 4 hwe ho. Na fa 6 no kofom ho na what to about the mon. Na ma wo munye duru. Wo ho nya kono. E koma odze ho no mfiri ho. But enye ne dem. Na wodze nyinaa de ma wenya nde bi ohwo na afa dom ketekete bi de atwa wo ho ahia na won wa aka na sabe itete wondo won fo onye hwea da bi ame Gomoa or your national project Gomoa West or your national project ma come sense to do there the whole Ghana beba Gomoa West no baby say Gomoa West for there na mo ye den na mo ye dam nzame wo mo constituency na ye da aseda me nyankopon there or nyame na adom no wabon me aye nzama ye be wo constituency people will come from afar wababo hwede na yi mo ye den na mo ye ono na mo hwehwe ye mpede Gomoa mo fama na yi ma na ho da fem na okonkan fem kumase fem tema fem takrade akwantu ye so do bia tukwan but abakwan otukwan na okede na okoton chifa otukwan na okede na okoton su how no oh see my time as a member of parliament no it's a very clear that means I mean if you come what in Susi say nyame adom I 42 Wamam 50 in grow 50 my 42 area shape compound that means I mean ye clear in na fi ho amanyame ya adom na ye win the general election so ye be member of parliament afi onon na ma kire go mo fa bi there moedi eyechi moedi but ame from Kojo smart me yards and smart
abusuafo nsɛ wɔn na captain smart ɛde ato dwa ma ɔde to dwa wie no ɛna Gomoa West fo so dwuma ayare captain smart ɛkyerɛ sɛ Gomoa MP no ɛnyɛ ade a wayɛ biribi ama Gomoa West no wakɔ 2 times nso onye biribi ama Gomoa West no nso ɔmo nso aba ɛmfɛma no na Gomoa West youth ne kyerɛ sɛ na ɔmo kɔrɔ ɔmo gyimi because captain smart o Kwame ye plus o wo mi ndu kadaya Kwame ye plus e bobe na wanhye eso na no nsu ato se Gomoa Central se Gomoa East o se he no e ho a flag no mo kakan ya Kwame ye plus atoto mo kwase yi na amane mo no Kwame ye plus no etimi ya kokudura be ka kire Gomoa se Central se East fo ne se ono no omua de but onwia Ghana sia nti Gomoa East o se West fo no agro ne ntuko no mo twisuko omo pen krono na so omo pen omua de can you imagine na Kwame ye plus me bisa as a leader sana ubi heavy me ojere sister Kwasia vint me po asempa because sister no oye friendly oh madam fam ne chatting na ade ojere nti me po asempa na me po asem Kwame ye plus o ka so oba be ye MP no ensem a okeka na enim say ka by this time den ka wo Gomoa Central ho say henka omo bro so what do onim ya ne say afia so wakofa jam sa aba ho odi shatawale na sa akode mo aba ho no mo asa na zo mo akoda so you see Ghana no omo ewo sika kaka na omo otumi no omo hwe omo tumi abedi yes no de omo de be ya ne o de omo de be ya ne nti nya mo wa say captain smart say obeye MP a obehwe mu nyina na Kwame ye plus wo ye pani na say wontumi tolerate nyama wo ye pani na wontumi tolerate nyama na wo pa kire say pani de say wo me nyama pani due ma ate so mante captain smart say ododo Kwame ye plus say wate o Kwame ye plus say wate obema reply no wo say yes wo ma reply do wontumi na waboa na wo Kwasia na wonu na wo sinya de bema captain smart Kwame ye plus de omo ndu na omo sinya ma omo eduomo atem adan omo akoka se nsu a afa Gomoa na one Kwame ye plus do nima ne se entertainment abeduomo atem pani esa o men bibia Kwame ye plus o pese o ka che se obedi MP Ghana sika 10 pesos mpo mfa won sase da afa won sase da Customers are always right. They are always right. But more central is east if you know. Customers in your move. So we do attempt for you, do attempt. Come here, plus also because I'm not to me. Or young piano just for any bay fame. No one in Bempo or the fame. What's it in share for honor? But the whole Duma. Obokamaya. Nti Gomoa West Fosse. The Kwame plus Becca and Kwan and also send the Captain Smart Mukati. But before, you won't try baby and farm out. Yet, and some more catch Captain Smart. Where a Spider-Man and now, Okase, and I quote, any idiot can go to court, Ghana. If you are an NDC member at the place, you need to think twice what this guy did. And now he wants to become MP. Wow. So this is your ambition. That is why you are always insulting. Funny. Eh? Obi also a journalist. Now to national television. So now to man now we are born now we join the party where you Kwasia. Now and I went so afoko and not just Kwasia kekasa. Kwasia se me kwa na edit Ghana ha afoko. Mo asem kwa o. Ejimi sem kwa na Ghana fo ni bi omo tu na omo ni yindi. Captain Smart okwa MP. We so e na ochese hwe no Kwasia. Hwe no Kwasia, hwe no Kwasiga. Ana we so eye odi e na ochese if not mediocre, this one too want to be an MP. Even assembly member you have not got it, but you insult a former president of the Republic of Ghana. Yo. And I went so HSS see this move. If they vote for him, then they are fools. Gomoa for to my Captain Smart and Wedging. And I went so HSS Gomoa people will be the most foolish people ever to vote for this low mentality curator. And the comment is the brain negotiable. Captain Smart, I want to have a man. Why do you say that?